Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure you own the business manager and locate the pixel ID. Next, install the base pixel snippet into the site header so it loads on every page. Once done, run the Meta Pixel Helper to spot missing code or script errors. Also, ensure you have granted Events Manager and add account permissions to the right users, because without access, you cannot see activity or change pixel settings. Now address the complex execution. Open the Event Setup tool and trigger test events while watching Events Manager so you can see which events arrive and which fail. If events are missing, inspect the event parameters and advanced matching values to ensure consistent identifiers. Make sure duplication is configured when using the Conversions API, because duplicate or missing event ID cause suppression. And if you implement server-side events, verify server time and access tokens to maintain reliability. Finish by validating activity in Events Manager and the Diagnostics tab. Make sure to wait 15 to 30 minutes after changes because processing takes time. Then clear site, CDN, and browser caches and rerun the Meta Pixel Helper and test events. If the pixel remains inactive, one key troubleshooting tip: disable ad blockers and consent management temporarily and inspect network responses in developer tools. Because blocked
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.